In this video, you'll learn how to copy a campaign in Mailchimp. This process allows you to replicate existing campaigns quickly, making it easier to manage your email marketing efforts. By following these steps, you will be able to save time and maintain consistency across your campaigns. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Mailchimp URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, you should see the Mailchimp dashboard, which displays your account information and campaign statistics. Ensure you are logged into your Mailchimp account before proceeding. Next, locate the campaigns option in the main navigation menu on the left side of the screen. Click on campaigns to access a list of all your email campaigns. This section contains details about each campaign, including their status and performance metrics. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as it will help you find the campaign you wish to replicate. After the campaigns load, browse through the list and find the campaign you want to copy. Click on the title of the selected campaign to open its detailed view. This view provides insight into the campaign's performance and allows you to make adjustments if needed. Confirm that this is the correct campaign before moving on to the next step. Once in the campaign's detailed view, look for the replicate button, usually located near the top right corner of the screen. Click on replicate to initiate the copying process. A confirmation message may appear, indicating that the campaign is being duplicated. Wait a moment while Mailchimp creates a copy of your selected campaign. After the replication process is complete, you will be redirected to the campaign editor with the copied campaign opened here. You can make any necessary changes to the new campaign, such as editing the subject line, updating content, or adjusting the recipient list. Ensure that you review the new campaign thoroughly before sending it out to your audience. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.